Welcome to Konexio Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria and I will be conducting today's show. Today we would be discussing regarding the trends, the setups, the technical indicators, the candlestick pattern, the derivative data of Nifty, Bank Nifty as well as the different asset classes. Now first of all, a general disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before investing and trading. Before starting the video, let us discuss what we have mentioned in our last video. We have discussed that markets were already some kind of overbought territory in the last week and we could go into a consolidation mode or some sort of profit booking could be seen. Last week was a monthly expiry, so we were expecting some sort of profit booking at the higher levels, but that didn't happen. Market started rallying and it gave a stellar rally throughout the week and ended on a slightly positive note on week basis. On Friday, the some sort of profit booking was seen at the higher levels, maybe around 24,150 or 24,130 odd marks, and market ended on a slightly weaker note on daily basis. But on weekly basis, on weekly candles, market had ended on a very strong and a positive note. So now let us go to the Nifty daily charts and we'll try to figure out what could be the trend for the next week and how we can play out the next week expiry. So let us go to the Nifty daily charts. Now here, this is the Nifty daily chart. You can clearly see. Let me stretch the chart so that we will have a clear view. Now, this was last week. This was Monday's candle. Market opened on a flat note. Then it corrected sharply and then started rallying throughout the week. And on Friday, we saw after testing the highs of 24,174, some sort of profit booking was seen in the later part of the day. So to view that, let us go to the hourly chart. So we will have a clear view regarding that particular some sort of profit booking. Now this is the hourly chart. You can clearly see Nifty has been moving in this rising channel, and after almost 1 hour after noon, we saw some sort of profit booking coming in at the higher levels, and Nifty ended on a slightly weaker note on daily basis, specifically on Friday. So now let us view Nifty weekly charts. Now you can clearly see Nifty has formed a strong engulfing bullish candle on the weekly charts. So as of now, this is a bullish sign for the market on larger degree trend. Larger degree trend means for next maybe 1.5 months or 2 months. But looking at this Friday's candle, we feel that, and you can clearly see that RSI also has entered into overbought territory or slightly about to enter the overbought territory. So it would be a word of a caution, at least for the next week, or maybe for a couple of trading sessions. So looking at this particular Friday's candle, we might see some sort of slightly profit booking coming in at the higher levels, and the market might consolidate. But that dip should be used as a buying opportunity, looking at the weekly candle of the market. So friends, now let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in the Nifty for the next week. The first support in the Nifty is placed around 23,850. Second support is placed around 23,754. Third support is placed around 23,565. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is placed around 24,174, which is the lifetime high. If it breaks, second resistance is around 24,323 and third resistance is around 24,473. These are the crucial supports and resistance level in Nifty for the next week. Traders should watch out this level. One should wait for some dip and then one should trade long. So strategy should be buy on dips for the next week. Now friends, let us discuss the derivative data of Nifty calls. In Nifty calls, you can clearly see the action was seen in 24,100 calls, 24,200, 24,300 and 24,400 calls. Now here you can see the option premium were flat. The implied volatility is between 11.62 and 12.37. There has been a rise in the open interest. There has been a rise in the volumes, but there is no shedding at all. So definitely some sort of volume resistance is seen in Nifty at this juncture. You can clearly see if we see the strike prices of 24,100 and 24,200. These are the main important crucial resistance until and unless Nifty doesn't closes about 24,200, uh, it could be taken like some sort of profit booking could be seen if there is a gap up opening on Monday, and we might see some sort of profit booking coming in or selling pressure at the higher levels. So this data seems that uh, the volume and open interest can act as an important resistance, maybe specifically 24,200. So until and unless Nifty doesn't closes about 24,200, we might see or we can expect profit booking coming in at near those levels. Now, friends, let us discuss Nifty put data. In Nifty put data, you can clearly see the data and the action was seen around uh, maybe 23,900 puts, then 23,800 puts, 23,700 puts, and 23,600 puts. Now here also you can see there has been a drop in the option premium. That means still smart money is already into writing the puts. That means uh, still there is strength at these levels. Looking at this particular data, implied volatility is between 11.55 and 12.91. It is slightly higher. There has been a rise in the open interest, rise in the volumes, but there is no shedding at all in this particular open interest or change in the open interest. So now looking at this particular volume and OI, 24,000 and 23,900, uh, specifically 23,900 could act as an immediate support. If Nifty closes below those levels, then there are chances that Nifty might dip down to the levels of 23,600. And if that particular cool offs happens, then 23,600 could be the ideal level where one can start building long positions for positional basis. So definitely, as of now, Nifty put data seems to be still intact. Strength undertone is still bullish, but as I said, once Nifty closes below 23,900, one can go short in the markets for a target of 23,600 in short to medium term, or maybe next 5 to 7 trading sessions. Now, friends, let us discuss the Bank Nifty charts. So, let me take you to the Bank Nifty daily charts and we'll try to figure out what could be a trend for the next week. This channel we have been discussing since long term or means since last March or April 2023. It has given a breakout. After a breakout, we have seen a sharp rally, and on Thursday and Friday, we saw that Bank Nifty saw some sort of profit booking coming in after testing its lifetime high of 53,180. On Friday, or a combination of Thursday and Friday's candle, it can be termed as an evening star. Evening star is slightly a bearish pattern. So, a bearish pattern, if this turns out, then we might see a profit booking in Bank Nifty, maybe of around 700, 800, or maybe 1,000 points in coming trading sessions, maybe in next 7 to 10 trading sessions. Now, to support that, you can clearly see RSI has also given a negative crossover from a comfortable zone. So definitely this is a caution. Those who are long should try to book profits if there is a gap up opening. Bank Nifty will not strengthen until and unless it closes above 53,200 mark. Till that level is defended, we feel that Bank Nifty might see selling pressure coming in at the higher levels. So one needs to be cautious uh, uh, from Monday onwards, in at least specifically on Bank Nifty for short to medium term. So friends, now let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week. The first support in the Bank Nifty is around 52,052. Below that, the second support is placed around 51,747. And below that, the third support is placed around 51,138. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is placed around 52,639. Second resistance is placed around 53,180. And third resistance is around 53,500. These are the crucial supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week. Again, looking at this particular charts, we feel that some sort of profit booking cannot be ruled out at higher levels. So those who are long should be cautious and should try to book profits if there is a gap up opening on Monday. Now, friends, let us discuss the Bank Nifty derivative data of Bank Nifty calls. In Bank Nifty calls, the action was seen in 52,500 calls, then 53,000 calls, and 53,500 calls. Now here you can clearly see there has been a significant and a strong drop in option premium. There has been a rise in the open interest. There has been rise in the volumes. There is no shedding at all. So it clearly indicates that the smart money is already into writing out of the money calls, at the money calls. That means they are skeptical or they have doubts that Bank Nifty might rally from these levels. So on immediate basis, as I said, 52,200 could act as an immediate resistance. Looking at this particular data, 53,000 would be the strongest resistance at this juncture. So if it breaks those levels, then there are chances that Bank Nifty might rally further, maybe towards the level of 53,500 to 53,700 odd mark. So on immediate basis, as I said, the swing high, which is 53,180 odd mark. So we will take a round figure, 53,200. If the Bank Nifty closes above those levels, then only one should go long. Till then, one should remain short in Bank Nifty, or those who are long should try to book profits at the higher levels. And here you can clearly see that the implied volatility is also high. So this is again one point which I would like to highlight in Bank Nifty calls. Now friends, let us discuss the Bank Nifty put data. In Bank Nifty put, you can clearly see the option premiums are positive. That means some sort of long build up could be seen in Bank Nifty puts. There has been rise in the open interest, rise in the volumes. The action was seen in 52,000 puts and 51,500 puts and 51,000 puts. The implied volatility is slightly higher. It is between 15.47 and 16.87. Now here we can say that when Bank Nifty closes below 52,000 or 51,900, looking at this particular strike prices, we might see Bank Nifty heading more downwards, and maybe possible it can go down or it can slip down to the levels of 51,500. And again, if it close below 51,500, then there are chances that Bank Nifty might slip down to the levels of 51,000. So definitely Bank Nifty is placed at the crucial levels. 52,200 could be an immediate resistance on the upside, or 53,000 could be the resistance, next resistance to be precise. And on the downside, the round figure 52,000. If that is taken out, then definitely Bank Nifty might slip down further towards the level of 51,500 to 51,200 odd marks. So looking at, or if we combine the charts and derivative data of Nifty and Bank Nifty, we feel that next week could be a week of consolidation or profit booking. So one needs to be cautious, those who are long in the markets. Now friends, let us come to the final segment of our show, which is positional call. I identify one stock from pharma sector. The name of the stock is LUPIN. Let me take you to the Nifty LUPIN daily charts. Now you can clearly see LUPIN has been consolidating for a while, maybe for last 3 months. You can see it is consolidating in a flag pattern, though it is on a verge of a breakout. Currently, the stock is quoting around 1621. Looking at the price volume action, the stock has potential to break its lifetime high, which is around 1728, because this consolidation has already taken 3 to 4 months long period. Now the stock is on a verge of a breakout. Yes, still some more room is left to see a breakout, but the stock has potential, because you can see the volume activity here. The volume activity has already started rising in last couple of trading sessions. So that is a positive sign. Stock has formed a strong bullish candle on daily charts. You can clearly see RSI has also given a positive crossover from this particular level. So definitely the stock has potential to give a very good return in a coming months. So definitely I would suggest short-term investors, swing traders, positional investors, long-term investors to accumulate LUPIN on dips to 1600 for an upside target of 1800 in short to medium term. Short to medium term means for next 2 to 3 months or 4 month investment horizon. So again, I would like to repeat the levels. Investors should buy LUPIN on dips to 1600 for an upside target of 1800 in short to medium term for next 2 to 2 to 3 months time horizon.
So friends, now let us conclude the show. Any suggestion or comments you can give in the comment box, and have a nice trading week. Thank you.